In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. To get started, open your browser and go to the MetaTrader 5 website. This is the easiest way to access the platform directly from your computer without needing to install anything first. Once the website loads, look for the web terminal and open it. The web terminal lets you use MetaTrader 5 right in your browser, which is perfect if you want to set up a demo account quickly and start exploring the platform right away. When the terminal opens, you may notice that it automatically logs you in using an older demo account if you've used the platform before. That's completely normal. To create a fresh account, click the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main navigation area where your account options are listed. From there, select Trading Accounts and then click Open Demo Account. At this point, you may see a list of any demo accounts that already exist in the terminal. If you want to clean things up, you can remove older demo accounts from this section. That part is optional, but it can make it easier to keep track of the account you actually want to use. Next, go to the Login and Register tab. In this section, click Open Demo Account again to begin creating a new one. This is the step that starts the registration process for a brand new demo trading profile. Now enter the required credentials in the form provided. Be sure to type everything carefully so the account is created correctly. Once you submit the information, your new demo account will be generated and ready to use. One helpful thing to know is that you can reuse the same credentials from one of your older demo accounts if you want. Even if you do that, MetaTrader 5 will still create a completely new demo account for you. So if your goal is just to open another practice account, you don't necessarily need entirely different details each time. And that's really all there is to it. After your demo account is created, you can start using it to practice trading, explore the platform, and get comfortable with the tools before moving on to a live account. It's a simple process, and once you've done it once, it becomes even easier the next time.